Today I'm going to show you how to dial in your focus when shooting aurora or astro at night. Keep watching to see how to turn this into this every time you shoot. One of the biggest challenges a nighttime photographer has is dialing in their focus. Autofocus usually doesn't work. There's usually very little on the horizon to manually focus on, and your viewfinder usually has a much lower resolution than your final photos will have. That means hours of time can be spent taking photos, a night's worth of sleep missed, and it can all be wasted if you don't have your focus set just right. I can't count how many times I've come home heartbroken to find out that amazing shots and an amazing aurora opportunity was lost because my focus was just a little out. Up here in Canada, we are on the edge of some of the world's darkest skies. That means that it can be difficult, if not impossible, to find something on the horizon that we can focus on, something that's bright enough for us to dial that in. What I have discovered is a fail-safe way to dial in my focus every time, and I'm going to show you how. A few years ago, I started using a Pelican 7000, which for its time was an incredible flashlight. It allowed me to cast a light a couple hundred meters away, usually just enough to dial in manual focus. Since then, many manufacturers have come out with much brighter flashlights, like the one I use now. It's called the Olight Warrior X Pro. Today I'm going to compare them side by side. If you're curious, there's links in the description to each of those. The main difference between these two is that the Pelican puts out 600 lumens when the Olight puts out 2250 lumens. The Olight also has a 5000 milliamp hour rechargeable battery, where the Pelican needs two one-time use lithium 123 batteries that last for about an hour or two. So save yourself the pain and suffering of taking unusable shots and buy yourself a great high brightness flashlight. That way when opportunity knocks, you're ready to catch photos like these ones.